So we just through the 60k mark to Kalkrand. So I quite enjoy it when it gets to under 100 k's, because then you just reel it in, you know. It's kind of when you're at 100 k's somewhere, you're like almost there, even though it's an hour and a bit. But that's, you know, 6 minutes. How does it work? 6 minutes per 10 k's, I think. Thereabouts. Which is 360 seconds. Not that I counted down, but it's it just breaks it up into a nice little chunk. So 60 k's to Kalkrand. Which was kind of the long stretch. That was 100, and then it's only another 76 to Marienthal. You know, so that will reel in quite quickly. That's where I'll get some fuel, fill up, and then another 70 to Givion. The terrain seems to have got a lot flatter now. You know, come hills every now and again, but not as significant as before.